Assalamu alaikum. Day 27. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua. We dedicate our words, our prayers, our emotions, our hearts, and we turn every single bit of our intention to our brothers, sisters, and children in Palestine. Let's come together to ask our Lord to change their situation and bring hope and prosperity back to their lives.
اللهم كن لإخواننا في فلسطين عونا ونصيرا. اللهم احفظهم بحفظك واكفهم شر من عاداهم. اللهم ارحم شهداءهم واشف جرحاهم وثبت أقدامهم وانصرهم نصرا عزيزا. اللهم اجعل ليلتهم هذه ليلة فرج ونصر. اللهم ارفع الظلم عنهم ودمر الظالمين ورد كيدهم في نحورهم واجعلهم عبرة لمن يعتبر. يا قوي يا عزيز.
O Allah, be the helper and protector of our brothers and sisters in Palestine. O Allah, shield them with your divine protection and suffice them against their enemies. Have mercy on their martyrs. Heal their wounded. Strengthen their steps and grant them a mighty victory. O Allah, make this night a night of relief and triumph for them. O Allah, remove oppression from over them, destroy the oppressors, turn their plots against themselves, and make them a sign for those who reflect. O you, the all-powerful, O you, the Almighty, grant them your victory. Ameen. Repeat this dua today, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Kul for daily supplications and reminders. Ameen.